Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Let us make a bunny motif. Starting with the magic circle. Chain 1. I'm going to make 8 half double crochets. Now I'm going to tighten the circle on top of the first chain 1. We are going to slip stitch to join. Now we're making one more chain 1 and going to make 1 half double crochet in the same space. Then in the next one we are going to make 2 half double crochet. So we are going to make half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in every stitch. So we will end up with having 16 half double crochet. One, two, three, four, five, 6. We finished making 16 half double crochet and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 1 more half double crochet. In the next stitch we make 1 half double crochet. In the next one we make 2 half double crochet, and in the next stitch we make 1 half double crochet. Repeat the pattern like all around. Now we have 24 half double crochets and we join with a slip stitch, and we are going to cut the yarn. And lock it in place. Now we are going to make another flat circle, only with the 2 rounds. So we are going to have 7, no, not like that. We are going to have another magic circle, bring the yarn out, then chain 1. We are going to make a 7 half double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the first chain 1, we have 8 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 1. Chain 1, another half double crochet in the same space, then 2 half double crochet in each stitch. So we end up with 16 half double crochets. We are going to make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to make a chain slip stitch. Now I'm going to make a chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then on the second chain from hook I am going to make a single crochet. Then I am going to make a half double crochet in the next chain. Then I am going to make double crochet in the next chain, another double crochet, another double crochet. That is 3 double crochets. Then I'm going to make a half double crochet here, and I'm going to slip stitch to the next stitch on the circle, and then I'm going to make another chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We are going to make single crochet in the second chain from hook, half double crochet, then double crochet in the next 3 chain, and a half double crochet in the next one, and slip stitch the next stitch on the round. Then pull up the loop. Done with that circle. Now I am going to use my yarn needle we are going to stitch these 2 circles together. I'm going to do it here. Then I'm going to do 1 stitch to the right, then I'm going back to the beginning stitch, and I'm going to the 1 stitch left, whatever way you like to join the 2 circles, just join it. These are the bunny ears and this is the bunny body. You can bring it to the back. I'm going to make a loop to tie it. I'm going to make it a little bit back and forth. Now it is ready to cut the yarn. Now we turn and see where we left off with the loop. Now tighten it on the hook. Then we are going to make slip stitch all around. Going here as well. Then we can go to the next circle to slip stitch. Slip stitch all around. to the first ear we made for the bunny. When the bigger circle is almost nearing to the join, we can go to the smaller circle to slip stitch. And now we can cut the yarn off, leaving a little bit of long tail. Just pull it out. Now use your yarn needle. Bring the yarn to the back of the work. Go a little bit back and forth. Now you can cut the yarn. Secure enough. Now all it is end is weaving this tail ends of the magic loop. I'm using the acrylic yarn, so this has to be steam blocked. This is the bunny I made. If you make the similar ones, then tag me at Crochet Smash on Facebook, and you can use at crochet_smash on Instagram. Okay, see you next time with another part. Until then, bye.